Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad that you are here. If you want to know more about this hair that I'm wearing right here, how about you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, so today's video we're gonna be doing a review on this wig right here. She is an OG. It's a Neesha 201. But what's different about this Neesha? This year Outre released the Neesha gray. So this is what she looks like. You see that gray color, right? Okay, we get it together. That gray color right here. So all the Neeshas comes with it comes in gray, and that's on the back. That's like the different gray color, and I got it in the color HTSLBR. What does that even stand for? Okay, HT silver brown. Okay, but yeah, so Neesha, she is an OG. The Outre had a Neesha like way back in the days, and then I think last year they brought out the Neesha wigs, like new and defined and refined. And then this year they're bringing out the Neesha gray. So I got it from Elevate Style for $32. You can find it on the site. And this one is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It is natural texture and it has pre-plucked HD transparent lace. And it is easy to wear, which is awesome. Oh, this is the 203. The review should be up or is coming up, so definitely stay tuned. So this is what 201 looks like. This is the Neesha 201 in this silver brown color, which I am here for it. So for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And the cap construction is it has like a very breathable mesh material. And that's the parting space. I'm gonna take this one off and put this one on, and I will be back. Alright guys, so this is what 201 looks like. This is what the Neesha 201s look like. And that's the lace HD. I don't know if that's HD, but you tell me. The hairline is that does not look pre-plucked. Like, do you see what I'm saying? That is not pre-plucked, but you know what? But for cap, it feels very snug on my head. Not snug, it fits perfectly. Even though I have my wig grip on, it still feels like roomy, and I did not touch the adjustable straps. So this will be big hair associate the least, but I am here for this color. This is my first time doing the 201, and I should have done it a long time ago, but here we are now. I like it. Let me see. I'm getting few strands. Okay. Okay, she's shedding. It's not few strands. She is definitely shedding. And I like the layers that's in it. Let me see. I feel like we'll discuss that later. But stay tuned for the meltdown.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around. down. I'm your song and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. Never drawn apart. Cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star. Cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song. Yeah, you're playing all my melodies there.
Alright guys, so this is what Neesha 201 looks like after I finesse her. I had to use a black eyeshadow just to blend the lids down a little bit, and I put the powder to make the parting space visible, and I like it. I like this color, like she looking cute. And one thing I would say is the layers, I feel like it's not flowing the same way. Okay, that's better. But you have to, if you want it to look the same, you have to manipulate it a little bit. And yeah, the lace it blended down easily ish. I like it. For $32, it is not bad. I mean, besides the shedding, it's good. Like, I might have to get her in a natural color. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm loving it. Will I recommend her? Yes. I love the grayish, the silver brown gray. It's pretty neat. So I'm going to a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around.
No one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, for cap construction, it fits my head nicely with the wig grip. So this will be big head associate for the least. But yeah, I love the texture. You know, you can never go wrong with the yaki texture. Never ever. But yeah, bravo Outre. I'm loving the Neesha Great series. You know, this is my second one out of the bunch, and yeah, and I got all three. I got the 201, 202, and 203. So far, I love what I see. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Love Your Crownz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.